Welcome back, everybody. So it is February, though you probably know that by now. It is almost the end of the month, and I'm a little bit behind because, of course, I am a big procrastinator. So I'm going to combine some videos today. I was fortunate enough this month to have actually found a semi-decent haul in our thrift stores. You know, I used to love doing my thrift store hauls every month, but with the pandemic, I had gotten pretty unlucky lately. So fortunately, it looks like somebody dumped some stuff off and I picked it up, and we're going to do a thrift store haul video today. But first, I'm also going to give my monthly shout out to my patrons out there that help support the channel. So let me go ahead and say thank you to all of those people personally. We did have one brand new patron this month. That was Ryan Huffman. So thank you for joining the Fright Club, Ryan. I really appreciate your support. And if anyone else out there wants to become a patron, you can check out the link below and join our fabulous Patreon team, including the following wonderful people: Gareth Brewer of Acorn and Oak, Allison Waldron, Indiana Jones, B. Hugh, Carla, Perea, Cathy, Lacy, Craig Thomas, Eerie, Eric, Frady Zone, Halloween Inflatable Geek, Heather St. John, Kip and Jace, Lady D, Lauren McLean, Patchouli Julie, Paula Allison, Prince Alarming 85, Shannon Fredrickson, Sharon Thomas, Skull Crane Entertainment, Spooky Bev, Spooky Spectacle, Stephanie Schrutek, Stephen Miles, and Teara. So thank you all for joining the Patreon team. And with that out of the way, you know I like to jump into my giveaways, but again, it's also that combined video of my thrift store haul. So I'm going to actually make the giveaway this month everything that I found in the thrift store haul this month. So if you see something you like, stay tuned to the end of the video and I'll tell you how you can enter to win this month's haul. And then we'll also take a look at our Patreon's videos, their latest videos for those patrons that have YouTube channels. But first, let's go ahead, like I said, and jump in and show you some of the fabulous things I got this month. Now, it was weird. Everything cost 99 cents this month. So I'm not going to read off the prices individually as I like to, because they're all the same, which some things you're going to find out were much better than others. So why it was all 99 cents, I'm not sure. But we're going to start with this Happy Halloween placemat pack that comes with 8 placemats and their little activities that little kids can do. It looks like there's a zoo, a connect the dots, some sort of matching thing, a little word puzzle, and other things. So I thought that was kind of cute. I don't know where it came from originally. Party Makers, and it retailed for $2.68 originally. And let's see, it doesn't say what date. Who knows when this was made? But it looks like, you know, Halloween activities are timeless, and any kid or adult like myself would have a lot of fun with these activities. All right, so let's see. Speaking of fun things for kids, we also have this sticker activity pack. It looks like on the back you have some pumpkins and a little haunted house in the back, and you can take all of these fun eyeballs and noses and mouths and make your little pumpkin men or women and have some creative fun. Hours of creative fun, it says. And oh, it does actually say it's Mr. and Mrs. Pumpkinhead on the back. Let's see. Any other information? It says the stickers are reusable and it's suitable for kids from 3 to 93. So I just made it. All right. What else have we got going on here? If you like crafting, we have this, what is it called? Big softies. So these are just soft letters. I guess they're like peel and stick, but they're foam and they kind of stick up, and they're all black and glittery, which will get all over all of your stuff. So you'll thank me for that later. But, you know, if you're doing some sort of Halloween signage or crafting, I thought this was the perfect lettering to do so. So I'll add that to the list. Let's see. We also got some Halloween gift packs. It is a 20 pack of designs. Now it actually shows on the back that there are, let's see, 10 different designs. So I'm guessing there are 2 of each of all 10 different designs. And that's kind of cute and kind of fun. So you can make fun projects out of these, like framing them just for some Halloween decor, or you can give them out as treats like they're intended, with treats, I guess. That would be fun too, but you know, I like making art out of anything I can possibly find. All right, if you like making arts, you can make a pumpkin man again. This is a pirate pumpkin design kit. And how fun is that? So it comes with 23 pieces. This is celebrated. I think, what is that? That's Michael's brand, I think, right? So, you know, it was overpriced originally. Got it for 99 cents. Still brand new. Could be yours if you win the giveaway. All right. We're getting into the bigger things here now. Let's see. Let's start with, I guess, we have this little tombstone. It's not foam, it's plastic. It's inscribed as "A Ghoul died in 1960 scaring himself to death on Halloween night." And then in little quotes at the bottom it says, "It won't be the same without you." And signed by "I Am Scary." So it looks like somebody on the back had attached some hardware here so you can stick it over a little stake if you wanted. There's probably one at the top that's no longer here as well. That's what all of this goo is. I think that's some of that spray foam stuff that they use to hold in place. Feels pretty solid. Anyway, no one's going to see that side and display it this way. And who doesn't need an extra tombstone in their graveyard? All right. We also have this cute little box. It is a fun pumpkin face. It would almost make a nice ugly pumpkin of the month, except it's not really ugly. It's kind of cute, and I do have an ugly pumpkin of the month, which I forgot to show you at the beginning of this video. So hopefully I won't forget, and we will come back to the ugly pumpkin of the month as soon as I'm done. All right. Goodwill is really bad about sticking these stickers wherever they want. At least it's a little bit better, because it used to be that they would use a little marker to write on things. And I still have stuff around here that has the Goodwill markers on it because you can't get it off. So at least you'll be able to remove the sticker here and have this nice little, frame that says Happy Halloween with a little spider there on the side that you can hang up around your home. And I think we have, oh no, okay. So I got this cute little bowl here just to find out it has broken in my car. Oh, that's a shame. All right, give me a second. I'm gonna get another bowl. This guy was super cute, and I'm disappointed that this stupid bowl broke. So I'm giving away this ceramic bowl with a little pumpkin man in it. I've tried giving him away in the past at least once, but he was unclaimed, so I'm going to give it away again this time. Getting a little bit of an upgrade. It retailed for $1.99 at the Goodwill, so there we go. A nice little bowl for you to go, I guess, with your box too, so that worked out pretty well in the end. And that was my haul for this month. Now back to my ugly pumpkin, which was something that I found in the stores as well. Speaking of, stay tuned to the end of the video and I will show you all of the exciting treasures that I did not buy. But this ugly pumpkin of the month was one of those items I did not buy. I don't know why anybody would want this or buy it. It is a soccer ball jack-o'-lantern. So it's kind of creepy looking, but honestly, I don't understand it unless you're a big soccer fan. Okay, maybe. But definitely it's strange. And if you have any interesting and strange and ugly pumpkins that you want to share with me that might be featured on an upcoming month of Ugly Pumpkin of the Month, go ahead and send those to me either on Instagram or at our Facebook group page, Happy Hunting. And I might feature that in an upcoming month. So let me get this out of the way, and then let's take a quick look at our patrons and their pages and see what they've been up to this past month. Okay, first up here we have Acorn and Oak. Now this is Gareth Frewer's channel, and it used to be Created Home with G, and he has recently rebranded here. Of course, he does crafting videos and card making and so forth. A lot of Christmas stuff. I'm not sure where we left off last month with Christmas, but these last two videos he's put up are new, and it looks like he's done a hoop stone for a mid-century contemporary designed home decor piece, and I actually like this. I watched the video and thought I would certainly put that in my home as well. I have a 70s contemporary house. I think it would fit right in. And then if you're not sure what ATC is, that is Artist Trading Cards, and Gareth will tell you all about it in case you want to trade cards. All right, next up we have Indiana Jones, who also does crafting, and Indiana Jones puts out incredible videos. So many that I cannot keep up. They're almost every single day, but her wealth of creativity is abundant, and I am just constantly amazed. She does lots of crafting challenges. So, for instance, I guess here's one with the Red-Headed Scrapper and Christy Creates, and of course they all just sort of craft together, and it's a lot of fun. So make sure you check out all of her interesting videos here. I was going to point out one that I saw earlier. Yes, this one here. Christmas all year long. Not sure how I feel about that, Indiana Jones, but I can't wait till we get to Halloween all year long. Kind of like Frady Zone does over here. Frady Zone puts out some amazing videos, and if you are not subscribed to her, I just absolutely don't know why. Her videos are amazing. They're very atmospheric, and it kind of incorporates Halloween all year round. Aliens at Christmas, vampires, and then a monster waiting for the Valentine's Day, which was super cute, and you have to check out that video. I absolutely loved it. It gave me a little bit of a chuckle, and I just can't recommend Frady Zone enough. All right, next up we've got Halloween Inflatable Geek, who does Halloween inflatable reviews, and then he's branching out into some other videos. Since our last check-in, it looks like he's starting to restore his Mustang, a 1964 and a half Mustang. I didn't know that was a thing until I started checking out his video. But if you're interested in car restoration, you can check out that as well at Halloween Inflatable Geek. Now, Heather St. John's channel is T-Cat Makes. That used to be As You Sow from our previous videos. So it looks like she's going to rebrand herself as well, and we're going to get to hear more about that soon. Patchouli Julie is affiliated with Gnome King Productions, who does surrealistic music and, of course, some Halloween-inspired things as well. But honestly, I kind of think that the surrealist music fits very well in with Halloween themes as well, and certainly would be some sort of interesting visuals and sounds to have in any sort of Halloween background as well. Hopefully that's not offensive to him, but surrealist music might not be my thing per se, but I certainly respect it and think it is interesting and neat. All right, Spooky Bev does spooky videos and vlogs and so forth. We haven't seen anything from her in a while, but check out her channel for some past videos. Spooky Spectacle has a couple of new videos as well. Let me just go click on that. Does a lot of makeup videos, but since our last check-in, she's done a cotton candy makeup tutorial, I should say, and then a Department 56 Halloween Collection 2021 preview. So I haven't watched that one yet. I don't collect the little mini village stuff. It's just I love them when I go into like Michael's and whatnot. I love looking at the displays, but I can't add one more thing to my list. So I certainly will get my fill of that by other people like Spooky Spectacle. And then last up, we have Skull Crane Entertainment, and he does amazing content, not only with showcasing the animatronics on his channel, but his website, skullcrane.com, where he is doing exciting things. Looks like since our last check-in, he's doing some restoration projects, which I believe he does on his website as well. And then, very interestingly, he is creating a clown animatronic, so you can keep up with his updates on his channel as well. I'm very excited to see how that turns out. And then he has a giveaway as well this month, so check out Skull Crane Entertainment as well. All right, thank you once again, wonderful patrons. Hopefully all of you out there have found something interesting that you're going to want to take a look at. And I guess that just leaves us again with our giveaway. How you can enter this month's giveaway. We're going to do our drawing in a week. We're going to do it the last day of the month on the 28th. That's a Sunday. I'm actually coming home from work travel that morning. So I'm going to shoot, let's just say 4 p.m. We'll do it at 4 p.m. Eastern. And you don't need to be present to win, but it's a lot more fun if you do. We'll do a live giveaway where we pull out a clue game, assign everybody who's entered a clue suspect, and do live eliminations until we have one left, and they're going to win all of that fun stuff from this month's haul. And that should be a lot of fun, I guess. But in order to win, you do need to leave me a comment below letting me know that you're entering. And for this month, I want you to go ahead and take a look at one of our patrons' YouTube channels, any one you want. Leave a comment on one of their videos and then comment below which video that was that you commented on, and that'll get you entered into this month's drawing. So that'll do it for today. I can't wait to see you next week when we do our live giveaway. Hopefully I'll get a video in between here and then, but who knows? It's kind of been a busy time for me. But I'm very excited, and I'll see you next week. So thanks for watching. Take care. Stay safe. Happy hunting. But before we go, I did say that I would show you a selection of the thrift store finds that I passed up on this month. So here we go.